So it's that time of year where I give away some stuff to you guys, the viewers.
Merry Christmas, you filthy animal.
Well, I mean, this year alone, I've given away a Go2 and Insta360 One RS 1-inch edition, a GoPro Hero 9, Hero 10, Hero 11, lights, mics, webcams, and a lot of accessories. And I want to try to do all of that again, but just in this one stream. And seriously, thank you so much to you guys watching and subscribing. You've been helping this channel grow, and that's the reason I can do these kind of giveaways. And before I tell you how you can win, I just want to say welcome to the channel. My name is Danny Black. I love to share with you cool gear that comes my way. If you're new here, don't be a stranger. Click that button right there. And you know what? Do me a favor. Click that button right there too, because when I remind you to do it, you do it. And it really helps out the algorithm. I'll put links and more information down in the description so you can find it easily down there, plus a surprise link. And a really big message here is do not fall for any fake scam accounts replying to your comments. If anyone replies to you saying that you've won something and go to WhatsApp or Telegram, just report them immediately. And yeah, that's not me. Don't fall for that stuff. And also, this giveaway thing is gonna be pretty expensive on my part, shipping it to who knows where in the world. So to help pay for that, let me just tell you about ARTLIST for 1 minute. So you're a content creator and you wanna have good royalty-free music that won't get you that copyright claim. Seriously, check out ARTLIST. There are so many amazing songs and sounds that you would expect to hear on the radio. I personally have been using ARTLIST for over 2 years now, and I have never looked back. Now, the 3 years prior to that on YouTube, when I was creating all kinds of really cool videos, I was wasting a lot of time trying to find good music. Like, seriously, I would spend days just trying to find really good music, and they would say it was free, and then like a year later, I get a copyright claim for it. That will not happen with ARTLIST. You can easily search by genre, mood, keywords. You can preview the song, and if it's to your liking, then you download it, with or without vocals. So if you are looking for something like this, do click the link in the description or the pinned comment just to let ARTLIST know that I sent you. And if you're a social media creator right now, you can get prices as low as $10 a month on an annual plan. So check out ARTLIST and join, and stop wasting your time searching for music and start spending more time on creating your content. All right, let's get back to it. All right, so let's get to the giveaways, and let me tell you what's up for grabs in different categories. We have webcams up for grab like OBSBot 4K, as well as a bunch of other ones. There's cameras that you can win from Insta360, DJI, GoPro, time-lapse cameras, spy cameras, and other ones up for grabs. We have microphones and wireless microphones, lights of all kinds, tripods like this $350 one from Ulanzi, gimbals, GoPro accessories, and just a random category where it could be anything from an FPV drone to an electric skateboard. So here's how you enter, and you have to be a subscriber to the channel because I can double check that. But you're gonna write a comment on this video right here, and you're gonna tell me something that brings joy in your life, and then you're gonna tell me which category you would like to win. So for example, I would say, my dog Whiskey brings me joy in life, and I would like to win a camera. And you can have multiple entries for this, but you have to have different comments, but you can't have multiple entries for the same category. So I'll be watching you, and if you do it, I will just disqualify you. And then during the live stream, I will pick one of your random comments, and if I pick you and you're watching live, we'll spin the wheel and see which prize you win. And again, you have to be watching live unless you're a member. You just click join, it's like $1 or less a month, depending on your currency. And if you're a member and I pick your name, well, I'll spin the wheel for you, and I'll let you know that you won, but not in a comment. I will contact you directly. That's just one of the many perks of a membership, and everything I make from memberships, I put back into the memberships. All right, so leave your comments, report any scam comments that say that you won, because that's not how it's gonna happen. And I'll schedule the stream around December 21st, 20th, something like that, depending on your time zone. But again, huge thank you to you guys subscribing, helping this channel grow. It's the sole reason that I like to give products back to you guys watching. That, and I'm running out of space in my office. All right, a lot of really cool stuff happening. I can't wait to share with you. Next year is gonna be amazing. So stick around and see you next time.
Can we call you Uncle Blanky?
No.